Hey guys, back at the 3D printer again today. Working on a little project for the track again. This one is going to be a flag stand for the start-finish line. As you can see, it's just started. Hopefully this one comes out better than the Marshall stand that I tried to scale down. Marshall stand, no matter what I did, the walls of it would come out paper thin because it was a 1/32nd scale file that I scaled down to 1/64th for the track, and it just basically crumbled upon trying to remove it from the bed plate here. This is also a 1/32nd scale flag stand that's been scaled down to 1/64th, but this one looks like it's a little more robust for thicknesses, so we'll find out at the end. Bring you guys back when we have a completed product. Well, here we are a couple hours later. Printed out. Looks like it is finished. Oop, sorry for the camera work. We're going to take it off the bed plate and we'll see how it is, and we'll bring you back when it's all assembled. Well, slot car fans, there it is. One assembled finished product. Came out quite good, I think, for something that was 1/32nd scale. That I had to resize to HO or 1/64th, and whatever the case is for what they call HO slot cars these days. All decorated up on its own little pad that's like a concrete pad. And we're going to put it out on the start-finish line area in just a moment. And be back with you in just a second. Alright, there it is, guys. Try to zoom in as best I can. Right next to the Bosch BP Tower Grandstand. It's an old Faller from Germany model kit. And then over here we've got the Faller Continental Pit Garage from the Nürburgring. Esso gas station. The 3D printed billboard business card holders came out really nice. A few of them around. Got a lot of comments on Facebook about this one. The MG Safety Fast Bridge replica from Sebring from the late 50s, early 60s. Came out really well. I think I'm going to make another one and probably put it further on the other end of the track. And probably going to be the other bridge at Sebring from that time, which would have been the Amico Bridge, just for something different. Well, that's it for this one, guys. Just a quick one. Catch you next time.